How to stake crypto using SafePal Wallet. Are you guys basically used to stake crypto using SafePal Wallet? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To stake crypto using SafePal Wallet, open the SafePal app on your mobile device. Once you open the SafePal app, now tap on Dap browser at the bottom of the home screen. In the Dap browser, search for and open a stake platform like Binance Staking, Pancake Swap, or SafePal Earn, depending on which token you want to stake. Connect your wallet when prompted. Choose the token you want to stake, enter the amount, and tap Stake or Confirm. You may need to improve the token first before staking. Once confirmed, your crypto will be staked and you will start earning reward over time. Make sure to check the lock period, APR, and network fees before confirming. And if you are not sure how to complete any of these steps, make sure to check out our video on this channel for more guidance. And that's it, guys. That's how we're gonna add our stake crypto using SafePal Wallet. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.